So this is the screen. I put this on here just so people don't grab it. It's just made out of plastic. There's no name on it. Here's a view from the top. One screw removes that side and one screw, and I could take the whole thing off. The way it works is there's a clip here at the top, and it's supposed to retract down into here. And it does, but then it gets stuck. It's like there's not enough room inside this plastic tube. If I mess around with it, I can get it to go in. I've taken it apart multiple times, played around with it, and it still has a lot of tension, but it's like it just doesn't fit in there anymore. I can get it to go in if I really fiddle with it, but something is not right, and I'm wondering if you can replace it and how much it would cost. Thank you.